Hey everyone, welcome to Spartan V for all your hair system needs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to blend in your sides and back to a hair system. One of the best ways I find of doing this, taking the hair off, so you've just got the sides and you're just going to use some different grade clippers going around the side and back, but it's pretty straightforward. I've purposely done a step last time, so now I'm sort of going to get rid of the step and blend it more in, and then after I've done that I'll put the hair system on and then I'll cut it into how I feel like it's going to blend in. So as usual, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe, really appreciate it, and let's get cracking. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start blending in all round. I'm going to do around about a 4, 5, and then I might jump to an 8 for these longer bits you can see here. So let's do it up against the white. So just so it's a bit more blended in and less of a step this time. And all I'm going to be doing is just flicking the first part, just going all the way around. And then on the grade 5 I'll be flicking again just a little bit higher, and then the grade 8 I'll be going pretty much up to the top of this to get it a lot tidier. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, and now move on to the 5. As I said, we go a bit higher. Reason I don't go really short, you've always got a risk with a hair system. So trying to blend in a hair system compared to real hair is a lot harder. So if you can, try and keep it a little bit longer, just so you've got wiggle room for when the hair system's on, you can play with it a bit more. But this should give you enough of that. So number 5 now. Okay, just to add, I'm actually going to go in for a number 7 as well. Because I feel like it's got a bit of bulk there, so I want to loosen and blend it in a bit better. Okay, so this is looking a lot better. So I was on the 8, and then the 8 still had a bit more bulk for me. Because I need it all to grow out together, I decided to do a 7 going all the way there. and that means it's looking a lot better. I've got rid of the step, a bit more blended in, and I'll just tidy up around sort of the ears and the back, just so it's all a bit neater. But otherwise the hair system is going to be ready to go on, and you'll be able to see what it looks like once I have the hair system on and how it blends in. Now I'm going to have to grade 10, just so I can cut some of the sides to blend in a bit more. And there you go. That's the blending done in now. So let me show you each side. That side. That side. And the back. So yeah, it's quite simple to blend in. You just have to trust yourself to be able to do it. And once you're able to trust yourself, then every time, you know, you'll feel a lot more confident doing your own hair. So, you know, essentially that's what all I used was, went up in the grades 5, 6 and 7, and I done a 7 in the end all over the sides and back, because the 8 was still a little bit bulky for the length of my hair that was down here. I still need to do behind my ears. But yeah, and that's simply how you blend hair. And as always, thanks for watching. Plenty more content on the way.